top tier trade winner. Very empty. Cause I've been doing a lot of trades. Korean, secret, Korean. Korean Mirror Force. Not for patient, not for trade. These three possibly still might for trade. These guys possibly traded. That's Korean Harpies, Fed Duster, Crush Car Virus. I think it actually, yeah, it is for it is traded. So I'll just put those upside down, but I just need some stamps, so bear with me. Staple Heavy Storms. Common Bottomless. Korean Breaker. I have an English one right here. Switch those out later. Common Poly. Common Chaos Sorcerer. Just a really quick recap. If you didn't see anything, just pause. Or just send me the time frame, whatever. Yep, and that's it, guys. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.